Matrigen Revive Night Ampoule is one of the most advanced overnight serums in the Korean skincare market, and it's fast becoming a go-to for skin therapists worldwide. It's not just another night serum. It's engineered to mimic skin's natural overnight repair cycle while feeding it a cocktail of peptides, brighteners, hydrators, and skin-repairing actives at its most receptive time, while you sleep. Let's talk about what it actually does for the skin. Revive Night is designed to deeply nourish, rebuild, and transform tired, stressed, and prematurely aged skin. It targets multiple levels of the skin's repair system, including the extracellular matrix, collagen synthesis pathways, and antioxidant defense systems. After consistent use, you'll notice brighter, firmer, and more balanced skin tone and texture. It restores moisture, reinforces elasticity, and helps fade post-inflammatory pigmentation left by acne or hormonal changes. But the real difference? This formula works while the skin is most metabolically active, at night. It understands your circadian rhythm and aligns itself with your skin's own regeneration timeline. It's a skin intelligence formula. So how do we use it? This ampoule is a night-only treatment. Cleanse the skin thoroughly, tone if needed, and apply 2 to 3 drops onto clean fingertips. Press it gently into the face, neck, and décolleté. It's quickly absorbed and non-greasy, so you won't feel sticky or occluded. You can follow with your night cream or sleep mask if desired. Now, the most common question, can we use this with microneedling? The answer is no. This is not for use during microneedling procedures. It is not a sterile ampoule, and its ingredients are structured for topical use only. However, it is the perfect post-microneedling companion in the days following treatment to calm, rebuild, and deeply hydrate the skin. Let's break down the top 5 ingredients and what makes this formula a standout. 1. Acetyl hexapeptide 8, arginine, known as Botox in a bottle. This peptide relaxes facial muscles to reduce fine lines and expression wrinkles, especially around the eyes and forehead. 2. Niacinamide. This multitasking vitamin brightens skin, improves elasticity, rebuilds the lipid barrier, and supports cellular energy production. It helps fade dark spots and visibly evens out the complexion. 3. Sodium hyaluronate, a smaller molecular version of hyaluronic acid. It penetrates deeper and binds 1,000 times its weight in water. This improves skin hydration at the dermal level, plumping the skin from within. 4. Allantoin, a naturally derived soothing agent that calms redness, boosts healing, and smooths out the skin texture. Great for post-treatment care and sensitive skin types. Our star at 5, adenosine, a powerful anti-aging active that helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles by energizing the skin's surface cells and promoting collagen density. Now let's get into what skin types it's made for. This formula suits all skin types, dry, oily, combination, and even sensitive, thanks to its non-comedogenic, alcohol-free base. But where it truly shines is in dull, stressed, or hormonally imbalanced skin. Anyone dealing with post-acne marks, mild rosacea, or signs of early aging will see the most visible changes. What skin concerns is it best for? Uneven skin tone, texture irregularities, fine lines and wrinkles, post-acne pigmentation, dehydration, stressed barrier-damaged skin. After using this, what can you expect? Clients report the skin feels instantly more hydrated, silky, and soothed, even after just one night. Within a week, many notice smoother texture and a more uniform glow. After a month, results intensify. Pores appear smaller, dark spots are less visible, and the skin barrier is visibly strengthened. It's not sticky. It's not oily. It just leaves the skin feeling like it had a full night's rest. How many sessions or nights of use do we need? Revive Night is best used 3 to 5 times per week. You'll see results in the first week, but optimal, longer-lasting results occur after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. Think of it as a skin rehab treatment. Your skin looks fresher every morning you use it. How long has this formula been on the market? Revive Night launched in South Korea in 2022 after 2 years of dermatology-led clinical testing. It was quietly used by estheticians in professional Korean skin clinics before making its way into the international skincare scene. Since then, it's become one of Matrigen's most in-demand professional-only ampoules. Why is it different? Because it's not just a hydrator or a night serum. It's a targeted recovery system. It understands the difference between hydration and regeneration and provides both. It works with your skin's biology, not against it. And unlike many night serums overloaded with actives, this formula balances strength and gentleness, which is rare in clinical skincare. So how do we pair this up? Revive Night pairs beautifully with peptide creams or hydrating sleeping masks, barrier repair creams post-procedure, vitamin C serums in the morning for a full antioxidant cycle, Matrigen's own repair ampoule for weekly daytime recovery care. Case study example. A client in her mid-40s with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and visible expression lines began using Revive Night 4 times per week alongside weekly microneedling sessions. Within 4 weeks, there was a 27% improvement in skin hydration, a 34% reduction in pigmentation, and visibly smoother forehead lines, all measured via skin scan imaging. Another example is a 28-year-old male client with a compromised barrier after acne treatments. Within 10 days of using Revive Night every second night, redness was visibly reduced, his skin stopped flaking, and barrier integrity was restored, no longer tight or reactive. In closing, Matrigen Revive Night is not just another bottle on the shelf. It's your overnight skin healer. Use it smart, pair it wisely, and it becomes a core step in every skin journey, from post-treatment repair to long-term rejuvenation.